For years, we've installed software directly on the hardware, making up most of the server infrastructure found within environments today. The practice of loading software directly on hardware is unavoidable in some situations, although for many organizations, there are options. Freeing our applications from hardware gives us that flexibility as we're no longer tethered to a specific hardware platform. Flexibility drives consistency and optimal performance for organizations. Three technologies that may be of interest to free applications from hardware include Converged. Years ago, I would have said virtualization, although virtualization without automation provides limited benefits over a non-virtualized system, whereas converged technology leverages virtualization and provides orchestration and automation for your workloads. Cloud, software as a service, or SaaS, alleviates the need to bind software and hardware at the local facility, offering a very flexible, consumable, and highly available host for applications to serve your business requirements. Cloud technology is not always outside of your firewall and often is very similar to converged technology. Containers. Containers are useful in isolating workloads and providing pure flexibility, although sometimes they have a steep learning curve for many organizations. Containers allow organizations to be very creative on workloads and the availability of those workloads. The reality is that we no longer are bound to having our software installed directly on server platforms. There are options, and technology milestones can assist with making those decisions and implementing that technology within your environment. For more information, contact us at info@technologymilestones.com.